Hey guys, welcome back to this new video. This is Yuxi Itachi joined with Yuxi Tejas and Yuxi Ravan. So in this video we're going to be doing a custom analysis video. This is quite new to our channel. So if you guys like this type of content, please do let us know. We are going to review our chicken dinner game in a custom match. So let's see how it goes. So we decided to land Milta here because we know a lot of we have landed Milta a lot of times and we know most of the houses and we have gone through tough situations at this place, so we thought we could handle it. So even before we land we commit our first mistake and Tejas unfollows by mistake and he just hovers there. He has no idea that he unfollowed and he was just hovering there. We saw a squad right here landing and Tejas was quite back. He landed at the start of Milta, which already put us in a tough situation because it was a 3v1 split, and even before I looted I secured the car, which came in handy throughout the game. So I highly recommend that you guys implement this thing as well. And happy days, we were just looting as the time flies by, and a buggy just passed me and I tried to shoot it with a pistol, but it was highly unsuccessful. And as you see in a moment that our teammates Moltres and Tejas start to engage while I had no loot.
Moltres actually knocked the guy and he got knocked out as well. So I thought to just take a fight. I secured my kill here. And there was another guy on the opposite side. So I tried to knock him also, and I did. And there was this last guy who was going to heaven, but unfortunately I was knocked. Yeah.
And as you guys will see, Tejas will try to knock this guy, but as he has no helmet nor vest, he gets knocked in turn. But in meanwhile, me and Ravan were in Milta, in the heart of Milta, and we were looting. And as you see, I had nothing except a shotgun and a crossbow. And Ravan at this point gives me the call that he was going for their aid, while I told him that I had nothing and I had to loot. And you see that I find a DP right here, and as soon as I find a DP I get the car and I just go to their aid. But I find out that it was just a bit too late for Tejas. And Tejas, as you see, I try to slam in on this blue house, and before I come near him he dies. And I thought he was right here, and I thought the enemy was snaking, which turned out to be totally wrong. As you guys see that we were able to finish that squad really easily, and the thing is my IGL told me that if this, we are either gonna lose this fight or we're gonna win it. So we just rush. So we did rush, we did clear the squad, but we lost 2 members at the start of the game because of really bad loot. And we decided to loot a bit more, and we made it to these compounds right here because we were expecting a squad from Milta Power, so we waited for them. We decided to hold this compound near farm because it's not easy to rush, and we thought that the zone will end up somewhere around that place. So it was a heavy gamble, but still we thought it would pay out if it works. And the path that we chose to go to this place is really important as well. We chose this part over the mountains because as you see, we were expecting squads, and just now I marked a squad, and we were able to make it here very safely. But we found out that the zone again shifted and we had to move back in.
Like we had a beautiful ridge near that the thing Ulta bridge, so we decided to go there. People will like 0% will be staying there, so we decided to go there.
Alright, this is something that I haven't seen a lot of squads do. I have seen, but a lot don't do. So we stop nearby the place that we want to go, and we scout. Ravan takes care of the place that we actually want to go, while I come to the left side, and as you see I am scouting right here, and I tell that people are right here and here. We pushed to the ridge that we planned on, and we took fights in the compounds that we found people in. We didn't expect people from waters to come because it was the short side of the zone, but we turned out really wrong. We found out 2 people who were swimming and we knocked both of them, but the other 2 swam away, I guess. We have no idea, but we continued taking fight from these compounds, trading health, and then the zone pushed us, but still we were inside the zone. Currently we were inside the zone. Afterwards you will see that we had to push all the way across to the other zone. So our prediction turned out right, and we were inside zone, and we had this beautiful ridge to cover us from.
Enough like for playing for placement. Since we are in top 5, let's like play for like rush gameplay. So we decided to rush into that squad house.
I wanted to go to the marketplace to the left side, while our IGL gave us the call that we'll be going through the right side. I thought people were going to be at this spot, but we turned out really lucky and no one was there, and we were able to slam into the squad house and finish a full squad. As we slam in, we noticed that there was a squad here, which was highly expected, and I tried to knock this guy by jumping, but my aim was really bad and the bullet spreaded a lot. And then we push inside while Ravan goes and he knocks 2 of them, I guess. He knocks one here and he comes out and he knocks another one, while I get knocked from the distance by this Conqueror player who turned out to be really good. And then Ravan was able to pull the revive right on time, and this is where my part as a support unit comes, and I picked up 8 smokes, which was really helpful, and I threw smokes all over the place so that we could get into the zone quite safely. And our IGL gave us the call that we are going to go inside the 3-story building and we don't have to anything else. So we did push inside the 3-story building. I told my IGL that I gave him some damage as well. So we pushed in and we were deciding on what to do next, while I gave the idea that we should nade, which was quite expected, and I didn't have any nades while Ravan just had one. So we knew that if we had to win this game, this nade is the only way that we could do so. So he pulls out the nade, he goes outside the zone, and then he chucks the nade, which you will see in a moment, which he does. It was a really good nade and he gets 2 kills, and it turned out that 2 teams were actually teaming up here, but we got lucky. So I threw smokes. We were thinking that it was just one squad, so I was telling my IGL that we had to rush right now and we had to finish them before they revive. I threw smokes. I knew that Ravan is going to be behind me. I pre-fire, headshots connect, and we were able to win this game. Anyways guys, that is it for this video. If you like this type of content, this takes a lot of time to do, so of course like this video, subscribe and share this to your friends and your squad mates. So if you like this kind of content, please do comment down below telling us that you like this kind of content, and we will bring you guys more. Thank you for watching.